Oh, damn. Shit.
Okay, so that wasn't exactly planned, but that pretty much sums up today's review. So today we're testing a $12 4K dual camera drone that I found off eBay, and we're going to see if it's actually usable or just pure chaos. This is a 2022 RC drone that claims to have a 4K HD wide angle camera, Wi-Fi, FPV dual cameras, and foldable arms. And I picked it up on eBay for just 12 bucks. $12. Now, whenever you see 4K dual camera and HD aerial photography at this price point, you already know that we need to manage expectations. But that's exactly why I wanted to review it. Sometimes ultra budget tech surprises you, and sometimes it's just a fun experiment. So let's go ahead and see what we actually get here. Now, right away, you can see that it's a foldable quadcopter design. The arms tuck in for portability, clearly inspired by higher-end consumer drones. It's lightweight plastic, very compact, and definitely toy grade. Spec-wise, this drone advertises a 4K HD wide-angle front camera, along with a secondary bottom camera. On drones in this category, that lower camera is usually used for basic optical flow positioning, which helps with indoor stability rather than high-quality video capture. It supports Wi-Fi FPV, which means instead of a built-in screen on the controller, you connect your smartphone to the drone's Wi-Fi network and view the live camera feed through the app. So everything camera related, photos, video, live view, it all runs through the phone. As far as features go, it includes the usual beginner drone functions: one key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, 360-degree flips, headless mode, and gesture control for photos. Flight time is typically advertised between 10 to 15 minutes per battery, though realistically, with drones in this price range, you're probably looking at slightly less depending on when and how aggressively you fly it. Now, the controller is your standard lightweight plastic transmitter with dual joysticks and shortcut buttons for flips, camera controls. There's no screen here, so again, your phone is going to handle the FPV views. It's very lightweight, very generic, cheap, and if you drop it, you're probably going to break it, so be careful. In terms of range, drones like this usually operate around 30 to maybe 100 meters in ideal conditions. This is not meant for long distance flying. It's more of a backyard beginner or indoor flyer. It's just basically a toy. Now let's be honest, for 12 bucks, you're not expecting professional aerial photography. You're getting an entry-level quadcopter with a basic camera system attached. But the real question is, does it actually function the way it's advertised? Does the camera work? Is the flight stable? And is it even worth $12? Let's get everything powered up, connect it to the app, test the controls, and see what this ultra budget drone can actually do. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to grab this paper right here that came with the drone and get your phone and scan that QR code, and that's going to bring you to the app. Go ahead and install that app. By pushing the button on the top of it. Once you do that, grab your phone, go to your settings, then go to your Wi-Fi, and you want to look for this drone on your phone in your Wi-Fi, and here it is right here, Wi-Fi UFO. That's the same as the app that we downloaded. So you click it, it's going to connect to the drone. And you are connected. Now all you do is go to the app, and there you go. And you hit this button right here, this control button, and that'll pull up the full controls of the drone. And now you can operate the drone with your phone. And we have the sticks right here. We have photo, video, file, and then we have lift right there. and then down. And there's an emergency stop right here, down on the bottom. All right, so I really don't want this thing flying around my house, so I'll just show you briefly. We're gonna pick this up, and all you gotta do is you can hit the stick to go up, and the drone would lift up. Oh, damn. Shit. One thing that I do have to mention is that when you go on this app to look at your video footage and your pictures from the drone, there's ads on the app. So it can sometimes get annoying. But I did take some pictures of my backyard and some pictures of the floor. But as you can see, you know, it does work. It's not the greatest though. All right, so I took some additional pictures just so you can see the quality. And the quality of the pictures really suck. They're not that great, as you can see. So if you're gonna spend your money, you're gonna spend your 13 bucks on this drone, I really hope you're not doing it for the pictures. So wrapping up the video, is this drone worth it for 13 bucks? Well, it is if $13 is not a lot to you. It really isn't a lot these days. I mean, you really can't even buy a value meal really for 13 bucks, but for 13 bucks, if you're looking for something to just, you know, kick around and just mess around with at the park, you know, I mean, why the hell not? It's maybe something to give to your kid to keep them busy for about an hour until it breaks. But I would not consider this like a serious drone. I mean, it's not like for adults. It kind of just reminds me of something for more of like a kid. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, just go ahead and leave that down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.